Don't know what to do with your frozen cream dory fish? Gawin nyo itong isa sa mga pinaka-popular na Chinese dishes, sweet and sour fish fillet. Let's prepare the sauce first. Mix 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can use white or brown. Then 4 tablespoons of ketchup, salt, cornstarch na pampalapot, and 4 tablespoons of pineapple juice. I use yung small pouch ng Del Monte pineapples. Ayaw ng husband ko ng maasim kaya 1 tablespoon of vinegar lang yung inad ko. You can adjust naman. I use cream dory fish here but you can use any white fish. Marinate natin with soy sauce, salt, black pepper, and egg for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then with clean hands, mix lang natin until everything is well combined. Then i-coat lang natin isa-isa yung fish with the flour mixture. Here, I combined half cup of cornstarch with half cup of all-purpose flour. Then, in a medium-high heat, let's fry each coated fish until golden brown. Huwag natin i-overcrowd yung pan para pantay-pantay yung pagkaka-fry. Once done, set aside and drain the excess oil. For the last step, let's stir-fry our onions. Then add your vegetables. I used red bell peppers and carrots here. I like pineapples kaya inad ko na lahat ng nasa small pouch ng Del Monte pineapples. Stir-fry for about 20 seconds before adding the sauce that we made earlier. Then nag-add ako ng 1 tablespoon of water dun sa bowl para masaid yung sauce. Pag thick na yung sauce, turn off the heat and add all the fish that we fried kanina. Then let's mix para ma-coat ng sauce yung mga fish. Then our yummy and healthy lunch is ready. Gusto ko tong topping sa hot steaming white rice. Ano pang ibang Chinese food yung gusto nyong lutuin natin next?